Hello children, so I'm back with my new video, Classical Civilizations of East and West from Grade 5 UASST. So here we have the learning objectives to identify the key classical civilizations, to explain what makes a civilization classical. Let's see a UAE link. UAE is a part of the classical civilization that existed in the Arabian Gulf. The picture on the top bears witness to it. Next is the CC link, history, as the topic deals with the past civilizations that existed between 800 BCE to 600 CE. Now this is the warm-up exercise from the textbook. Please go through. Now here comes the lesson, the introduction of the lesson. The period of time between 800 BCE and 600 CE is in the Mediterranean and the surrounding area is called the Classic period. During this period, empires grew larger and became more structured. Government, city planning, transport, and the military became more important than in the ancient period. In the classical period, trade became more important as cities and populations became bigger. In the ancient period, the Egyptians of the Nile Valley, the Sumerians in Mesopotamia, and the Mayans of the Mediterranean Sea established civilizations and formed societies and evolved. From about 500 BC, other civilizations grew. Now let us see the other classical civilizations. Here I have put the map of the three civilizations. The first map is of all those classical civilizations of the world. Second is the Kush kingdom and third is the Mayan. They include the Greek city-states, the Roman Republic and the Persian Empire in Europe and the Near East. In the Far East, the Zhou dynasty began in China. On the Indian subcontinent, regional kingdoms were formed, especially of the Gupta Empire. In Africa, the Kush kingdoms were growing in what is now Sudan and South Egypt. In Central America, the Mayan Empire civilization was established. By 200 CE, 700 years later, the Roman Empire stretched around all the Mediterranean Sea from South Europe to North Africa. In China, the Han dynasty took over more land than before. So what you could see in the previous slide was how those empires were expanding. Near the end of the classical period in 500 CE, the Roman Empire split into two parts, the Eastern Empire and the Western Empire. There is a video on the Eastern and the Western Roman Empire. You can go through that video for more information. The Eastern Roman Empire covered the area from Greece to Egypt in the eastern part of the Mediterranean Sea. The Persian Empire continued to grow. In India, the Gupta Empire came to power. In China, there were two large empires, the Northern Wei Empire and Southern Sung Empire. As the classical civilizations developed and grew, they often came in contact with each other. This helped spread things like trade, learning, and the migration of the people. At times, the contact led to conflicts and wars. Here comes the activity from your textbook. You can go through the statements and see the answer. Then this is activity 2. You can go through. Again an activity 3 from your textbook. I have written down the answer. You can add some more points. Then this is activity 4. What do you think some of the reasons for the conflicts between those classical civilizations? So this is what I could think about and I have written it down. You can add some more points of your own. And this is your activity 5 again from your textbook, in which they are asking you to give the details of the Kush and the Mayan civilization. Here comes the plenary. I have put up a few questions. Actually, in this lesson, we don't have much to explain. It's only the introduction for the classical civilization, which has been mentioned in this first lesson of your book 2. So, these are the questions pertaining to it. So, thank you so much for watching my channel. And if you have really liked the video, then please give me a thumbs up, share it, subscribe it if you haven't subscribed as yet. Please press the bell icon for the notification of my latest videos. See you next time with my some other new videos. Till then, take care. Bye bye.